please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video.
Technical experts back, Ashwani Gujral and Mitesh Thakkar and Sandeep Bagle in our studios. So Ashwani, the market did absorb a lot of selling initially, has recovered a bit but still not out of the woods. Your thoughts on how to approach the rest of the day?
Well, important point is that Nifty is at 10,300. Now, while it's doing that, the Bank Nifty has failed to make a fresh low. So that way, I would think that with a 10-15 point type of stop, it's worthwhile to get long on the Bank Nifty, because in case this 10,290, 300 holds on, you will see first buying coming back on the Bank Nifty, because PSU banks right now are up almost 0.5%. So the majority of the banks are higher. And if that can be maintained, then you will see, other sectors also joining in. So given that we are so close to support, it's only worthwhile that people take long positions, not for any great rally, but we could easily get back into the range of 10,350, 450, because that is the kind of market we are in. We got bad news, and if the market was weak, we should have gone down. That for me is an important signal at a strong support. Having said that, I think right now you can buy Yes Bank with a stop of 310, target of 324. Interesting thing here is that each time Fortis falls, Yes Bank goes up. Maybe there's some correlation. DHFL is a buy with a stop of 510, target of 535. And TV Today Network is a buy with a stop of 530, target of 565.
Okay, Mitesh Thakkar and Sandeep Bagle are also here with us in the studio. Sandeep, hi, morning. What would you be looking at? It's a bit of a down day, but the mid-caps are actually doing okay today.
Good morning, Sonia. I would be stock specific. I would go with a buy in a Pidilite that has given a breakout. I see some more upside. Buy it with a stop loss of 912 for a target of 943. And a sell in a Sun TV, stop loss 921, target 881.
Okay. Thanks for that, Sandeep. Mitesh, any index trade now with 10,300 getting defended, or actually Bank Nifty with 24,700 not being given up?
I think I would agree with Ashwini. I think trading the Bank Nifty could be a better choice. Keep a stop just below today's low of 24,640, and I think on the upside, if we start getting past 24,870, then I think we might look at a retest of 24,950, 25,000 zone. So not much, but yeah, 1-2 day long trade with today's low as the stop loss can be taken.
Okay.
Two stop calls. I have a buy on Mahindra & Mahindra with a stop at 730 for targets of 770, and HDFC is a sell. Keep a tight stop at 1835. You look for targets of 1780.
Okay, Ashwini, you did speak about Fortis in passing, but is there a trade on the stock?
Well, I think the better trade is on Yes Bank, because it's already fairly beaten up and at strong supports of about 300. So since they own so much stock, each time it gets to 160, 165, I think these guys sell. So they are making good money. So I think the safer stock is Yes Bank. And I think at some point you should see it at 330, 335.
Okay, Mitesh, is Oro a very, very short-term trade? It seems to be always finding support under 5,000, under 580.
Yeah, I think closer to that, Lata, I think that's a good area. I think last time we saw the stock bottom out, have a closing low at 570. Yesterday, the closing low was 572, and it's trying to reverse. I think keeping a stop below 570, I would be comfortable buying. Once we start getting past 590, 595, I think we could go back to about 620 odd level. So in that sense, the risk reward is quite favorable.